Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to increase your limit on Revolut. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, firstly, let us just recognize that your limits are reset every 24 hours automatically, and it increases as you use Revolut more. So regular transactions and account activity can help unlock higher limits over time, creating a strong financial profile. Then also standard accounts have basic limits like $1,000 monthly free, and this is a currency exchange. Their premium or metal plans significantly raise your limits and reduce fees on exchanges as well as transfers. And then your higher limits require full identity verification and passing automated security checks. This includes ID documents and sometimes additional proof of income or even proof of address. So you can use the multiple top-up methods. So if your card deposits limits are reached, you can add funds via your bank transfer or whatever other supported payment method you've used to bypass the temporary card limit and then maintain your cash flow. You can navigate to cards, select your card, go to settings, look for spending limits, and then in the app, this will allow you to view your current limits or request adjustments where possible. For specific limit increases beyond automated adjustments, reach out via the Revolut in-app chat or even customer service on their website for more personalized assistance.